Rectification of error, I explained yesterday also. I would like to revise for you. Rectification of error is a very important chapter, but it can be done only when you have done journal properly. Those who have done journal properly, it would be easier for them to do this chapter because it is also a journal entry based chapter. Rectification of errors. It means we are going to correct the errors which we will locate or we will detect in the accounts. But the rectification of errors, the rectification of errors also depends upon the time or the stage where it is located. I discussed earlier yesterday also. It can be detected at various places or various stages. Errors can be detected before the preparation of trial balance. You know, the trial balance is prepared after preparation of ledger. After preparation of ledger, it means after entering the transactions in our original book of records, in journal, in cash book, in various subsidiary books. After that, we prepare ledger, and then with the balances of ledger, trial balance is prepared just to check the arithmetical accuracy of the books of our account. And if the errors are located before that, before the preparation of trial balance, that is one stage. Number two, errors can be located after the preparation of trial balance, but before the preparation of final accounts. Final accounts means trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. And sometimes the errors are located after, sometimes the errors are located even after the accounts are closed at the end of the financial year. After the accounts are closed and books are closed, sometimes we locate the errors. Okay. So what would happen and how the journal entries would be passed, that we have to learn in this chapter. I am repeating it again today. I have already done it in the previous class. Bilal,
Yes, sir.
starting from you, suppose an account is extra debited, an account is extra debited, how can we rectify it? How can we correct that account which is extra debited? Are you getting my question?
Extra debted.
Extra debited means we had debited that account with excess amount. We have debited the account with excess amount. ज्यादा अमाउंट उसमें डेबिट कर दिया है, तो उसको करेक्ट करने के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा? Let me give you an example. Maybe then you would be able to get the point. Suppose you purchase goods for cash worth rupees 5,000. Worth rupees 5,000. But in place of 5,000, you have debited the purchase account with 5500, 5,500. क्या होनी चाहिए इसकी? 5,000 परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट 5,000. You have made a mistake by debiting the purchase account extra with 500 rupees, you have made the journal entry purchase account debit 5,500 to cash account 5,000, means the purchase account is debited extra with 500 rupees. Now what can be done to correct this mistake? Anybody?
एक चीज, जैसे अगर हम जैसे परचेज कर रहे
Sir,
हो आप,
we
परचेज
can
अकाउंट डेबिट
buy
टू कैश।
5,000 more, 500 goods, मतलब 500 रुपए के और गुड्स ले सकते हैं।
No, no. It is not about changing the transaction. We have to correct जो मिस्टेक हुई है, एक जरा सी मिस्टेक हुई है बेटा, 5500 हो गया, 5000।
पासबुक, we will correct in our passbook.
हाँ जी,
Sir, we will
आज
correct it our passbook.
आज
I have already told you an account can be reduced or increased by reversing. That is, if per account is debited by 500 rupees extra, we can credit it again by 500 rupees. In rectification, we have to correct the entries by if an account is extra debited, we can correct it by crediting. Now you credit rupees 500 from the account and only 5,000 will remain in the purchase account. I mean to say this. Ansika, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
That if an account is debited extra, to reduce it, we have to credit it. In the same way, if an account is credited extra, if an account is extra credited, then we have to debit it by the amount with which it is credited extra. Excess credited will be corrected by debiting it. By debiting it, the amount which is excess credited will be corrected by debiting it with the same amount. अब मुझे बताइए, suppose an account is debited short debit, जैसे परचेज अकाउंट में अभी आपने किया था परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट 5,500. Suppose purchase account is debited by 4,000 in place of 5,000. Purchase account is debited by 4,000 in place of 5,000. It will be called short debit. फिर क्या करना चाहिए बिलाल?
Sir, we will debit.
So we will debit once again.
डेबिट करेंगे सर।
Very good. It means you are getting now. You are getting the point. I want my students to get the point. The main point in this chapter is to know what is the mistake and also to know what is to be done to rectify that mistake and correct that mistake. अगर आपने किसी को 500 रुपए देने हैं और आपने अभी उसे सिर्फ 400 दिए, तो you will give 100 more. It means if an account is extra debit or extra credit, then we will reverse it. But if an account is short debit or short credit, we will pass the journal entry again with the deficit amount. जितने अमाउंट से आपने एंट्री कम की है उतने ही अमाउंट से एंट्री और कर देंगे. इट इज जस्ट लाइक इफ द ग्लास इज half filled and it has to be filled up to the top, you will have to add more. You will have to add more. So short debit में और शॉर्ट क्रेडिट में we will debit or credit the account again to correct or to rectify the mistake. I hope it is clear to you. These are the
Yes, sir.
methods, simple methods of the errors which we have committed and detect it and then rectify it. Please keep your cameras on. The 4 methods of detection and rectification of error. Yes. Ayush, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Arjun, you are getting?
Yes, sir.
Ansika?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, Ansika Bhatia,
Yes, sir.
rectification of error. Now, when these errors are located and rectified, then there is no need of overwriting, cutting, right? We just pass another entry and the old entry, the wrong entry gets corrected by itself. The effect gets nullified. The effect gets nullified. We do not cross, we do not overline, we do not cut any transaction in the books of account. We just pass an adjustment entry or rectifying entry to overcome our mistake. So look at your first illustration. First illustration and you will understand it clearly. Take out Arjun. First illustration in the book. Rectify the following errors. Ayush, read the question. And tell me what is the mistake in the transaction. What mistake is there in the journal entry being passed for this transaction? Arjun, read the question. Did you get it? Two-sided errors on the topic. On the top, it is written two-sided errors. Rectify the following errors. First one is credit sales to Arun 7,000 were not recorded. Credit sales to Arun 7,000 were not recorded. It is an error of omission. It is clearly mentioned all these entries were not recorded. Because these entries, these transactions were not recorded, it means both the account Arun as well as sales, Arun as well as sales account were not debited or credited. Following the rule of
Yes, sir.
double entry system, one account has to be debited and the other account has to be credited. But because the entry is altogether not recorded by the accountant, it means this entry is not at all there in the books of account in general. So now the correct entry is to be passed in the books of account and our mistake will be rectified. So what should be the entry?
Sir, of which question?
Illustration number 1. Ansika,
Yes, sir.
what should be the entry?
Sir,
Sir,
of this
say,
question, credit sales to Arun 7,000 were not recorded.
Yes.
The entry will
sir,
be Arun account debited to sales 7,000.
Oh, 7,000 Arun account debit to sales account 7,000 because this entry was altogether skipped, omitted
Yes.
to be recorded in the books. So now we will record it and this would be rectified. The error would be rectified. These are called errors of omission. Errors of omission. These type of errors, they do not affect trial balance. Bilal, do you remember trial balance? In trial balance, we write the debit balance and credit balance of the accounts. Right?
Yes, sir.
And if we have not at all recorded this transaction, तो अरुण अकाउंट के डेबिट, अरुण के मतलब डेबिट में 7,000 रुपीज कम होंगे और क्रेडिट में भी 7,000 रुपीज कम होंगे. ट्रायल बैलेंस में 7,000 रुपीज डेबिट में कम होंगे एंड 7,000 रुपीज क्रेडिट में कम होंगे. इन ट्रायल बैलेंस ऑल्सो debit side would be sought by 7,000 rupees as well as credit side will be sought by 7,000 rupees. So when both the sides will be sought by 7,000 rupees, trial balance will still tally. Trial balance का total अभी भी आ जाएगा same, क्योंकि ना तो डेबिट में 7,000 ऐड हुए ना क्रेडिट में 7,000 ऐड हुए. So all these type of errors are known as errors of omission. उसके बाद illustration number 2 में credit sales to Arun 7,000 were recorded as 700. Credit sales to Arun was recorded as 700. 7,000 की जगह 700 रुपीस की एंट्री हुई है. It is sought and debit and sought credit. So Arjun, what should be the correct entry?
The entry will be, sir, Arun account debit to sales 6,300.
Very good. Because कितने रुपए की एंट्री कम हुई है? 6,300 rupees. Everybody pay attention. In this, the amount is cast short. In the transaction, 7,000 is given. The transaction is of 7,000. Sales to Arun was made of 7,000 rupees, but it was written by mistake as 700. So 6,300 is entered short. So now I told you when it is short, you have to pass the entry again with the deficit amount. And the deficit amount is 6,300. Very good. Ayush, second entry. Credit purchase from Bridge 9,000 were recorded as 900. What should be the correct entry? With explanation. Ayush, तुम्हें कुछ सुनाई देता है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Answer the question. Ansika Bhatia.
Yes, sir.
Answer the question. Turn on the camera. Ansika Arora.
sir, purchases account bridge account debit to sales account 8,100.
Purchase account debit to bridge account.
Oh, yeah. Purchase account debit to bridge account.
With the deficit amount कम है इसमें 8,100.
100.
Yeah. All these 4 transactions are of short debit or short credit. इसके बाद आइए illustration number 3 में. In this, it will be extra debit or extra credit. तो इसमें हमको रिवर्स करना पड़ेगा. इसमें हमको रिवर्स करना पड़ेगा. डेबिट वाले को क्रेडिट करना पड़ेगा, क्रेडिट वाले को डेबिट. देखिए फॉर एग्जांपल, सपोज क्रेडिट सेल्स टू अरुण 7,000 is recorded as 7,200. Credit sales to Arun 7,000 is recorded as 7,200. Correct entry होनी चाहिए अरुण अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेल्स 7,000 रुपीज, बट आपने एंट्री कर दी है अरुण अकाउंट डेबिट 7,200 टू सेल्स अकाउंट 7,200. 200 रुपए अरुण में ज्यादा डेबिट है, 200 रुपए सेल्स में ज्यादा क्रेडिट है. इट मींस यू हैव टू रिवर्स द अकाउंट. अरुण को आपको क्रेडिट करना पड़ेगा 200 रुपए और सेल्स को आपको डेबिट करना पड़ेगा 200 रुपए. बिलाल, द फर्स्ट पॉइंट विच आई हैड एक्सप्लेन टुडे, it is same thing. Extra debit means you have to credit that account, extra credit means you have to debit that account. Reverse entry you have to pass. That is why you see the entry passed is sales account debit, sales account debit to Arun account 200 rupees. जो 200 rupees का क्या है डिफरेंस है, एक्स्ट्रा डेबिट है और एक्स्ट्रा क्रेडिट है. सो अरुण को जो एक्स्ट्रा डेबिट है वो हमने क्रेडिट कर दिया टू अरुण. सेल्स में जो एक्स्ट्रा क्रेडिट है दैट वी हैव डन डेबिट, सेल्स अकाउंट डेबिट. सो ऑल दीज illustration number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 you have to practice today and practical questions इनके solve कीजिए. All those who have not submitted the notebooks will submit it by they can get it checked from me personally because in the school the dates are over, and after that if your notebooks are not checked within the month you will not get the admit card and you will not get the admit card ID, without which you will not be able to appear for the exam. All those who will not get the IDs will not give the exam. Please pass
Excuse me, sir.
to everyone. Already the message is circulated in your group, and all those
Excuse me, sir.
joining the class now from December 1st they will be out. They will be out and they will not be able to join the class. Even if they will join, I will not enter them in the class. Those who are not regular, please pass this message also. Any questions?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
The exams will be both offline and online.
Yeah. Offline exam 80 marks, that will be the main exam. Online जो आपका एग्जाम होगा that is for the record sake कि वो कौन कौन है जिन्होंने फीस जमा की है, किन्होंने नहीं की है. All those who have updated their work. Online exam and for offline exam you will be given an ID. I told you after entering that ID only you will be able to give the exam, or you can say ID will be given to those students only whose everything is clear, work is complete, are regular to the class and have followed all the instructions. Anything else? Class time is 11 a.m. From tomorrow onwards at sharp 11 a.m. you should be there. So inform everybody that class is regular every day. Okay. And this is the chapter up to 20, chapter number 20 in exams. Question paper will be there. That is the syllabus up to chapter number 20 in accounts and chapter number 9 in business. Thank you. God bless all of you.
थैंक यू सर.